Looking to scrape job applicant data easily and efficiently? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to scrape job applicant data with Browse AI, a tool that's changing the game for digital marketers, recruiters, and anyone working with online data. You'll see just how simple it can be to extract valuable information and save hours of manual work. Browse AI is an incredibly powerful tool that automates web scraping without needing to write a single line of code. This means you can quickly gather job applicant information from online sources, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a recruiter trying to pull resumes or you're simply collecting information for analysis, Browse AI allows you to extract data quickly and accurately. The best part is that Browse AI is super intuitive. You can scrape data from job portals or company websites in just a few clicks. All you need to do is set up the data points you're looking to capture. For example, you can grab names, email addresses, phone numbers, job titles, and other relevant details right from a job listing page. Once you've configured Browse AI to track these details, it'll start scraping automatically. Getting started is easy. Simply create an account with Browse AI, and then use the point-and-click interface to teach it which elements on a web page you want to scrape. Once it's set up, Browse AI will do the heavy lifting for you, pulling all the data you need into a nice clean spreadsheet. No coding required, which is perfect for those who don't want to dive into complex programming. What makes Browse AI so effective is its ability to handle websites that use JavaScript, which often stumps other scrapers. So, no matter how complex a job listing page may be, Browse AI will be able to extract the data you want with precision. This means you're not limited to basic HTML pages. You can scrape dynamic content too, like jobs listed in real time. If you're worried about compliance, Browse AI also takes care of ethical scraping. You can rest assured that you're scraping data responsibly, following best practices, and keeping within legal guidelines. The software is designed to keep your actions within a safe zone, helping you avoid any potential issues. Now, what makes Browse AI stand out even more is how it integrates with other tools. After scraping the job applicant data, you can easily export it to CSV, Excel, or integrate it with your CRM for further analysis or follow-up. You can also automate workflows and streamline the process from start to finish, making your job even easier. And here's a game changer. We've partnered with Browse AI to give you an exclusive extended free trial so you can test the software out for yourself, completely risk-free. Just check out the first link below and you'll get access to this offer, along with a bonus to maximize your experience with Browse AI. So if you've been looking for a way to scrape job applicant data effectively and without the usual tech headaches, Browse AI is the tool for you. Whether you're building a database of candidates or just need a quick and reliable way to gather job-related info, Browse AI makes the entire process simple and automated. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial through the link in the description. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into advanced features of Browse AI, so make sure you stick around.